Welcome back to the Taste to Share kitchen. Today we're making a delicious and comforting dish, milkfish belly in tomatoes with vegetables. This is made with fresh, easy, and simple ingredients. Let's prepare the milkfish. Remove any blood and scales, then wash it thoroughly. Then cut it into medium-sized pieces. In a pan, heat enough oil over medium heat. Apply 2 teaspoons of salt to the fish before frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the fish belly into the pan. Fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they're golden and slightly crispy on the outside. And while waiting, you can tap that subscribe button and click notification bell to see more easy recipes every time I upload new dishes. During frying, the milkfish belly is tender and can break easily. Be gentle when flipping. When all the pieces are done, remove them from the pan and set them aside. In a clean pan, add a little oil over medium heat. Add the 2 sliced onions and sauté until they start to turn soft and translucent. Next, add a thumb-size, thin slices of ginger. This adds a warm, slightly spicy aroma to the dish. Let the ginger cook for about a minute. This time add 8 cloves chopped garlic. Keep stirring until everything smells nice and fragrant. Now it's time to build the flavorful base of the dish. Next, add in 5 large pieces ripe, chopped tomatoes. Cook them down until they're soft and juicy. This will add a slightly tangy and sweet flavor. Now, season with 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. Then, drop in some green chili peppers. You can adjust the number depending on how spicy you want it. Next, add a splash of 3 tablespoons of fish sauce for that savory umami taste that brings everything together. Let all of this cook for a few minutes until the flavors blend well. At this time, add the fried milkfish belly pieces back into the pan. Be careful not to break them. Now, pour in just enough water to cover the fish. Bring it to a light boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer. This step helps the fish soak up all that rich sauce and flavor. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Time to add some freshness. Add more green chilies. Prepare and cut the string beans into bite sizes. Toss in your string beans. String beans take a bit longer to cook, so let them simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding other vegetables. This time, taste the broth and adjust with salt if needed. Add MSG, but it is optional. Finally, let's add the pechay or snow cabbage leaves. Gently press them down so they cook evenly in the broth. Let everything simmer just until the vegetables are cooked but still vibrant, about 2 more minutes. Don't overcook them. We want the veggies to stay fresh and crisp. You've just made a warm and hearty milkfish belly and tomatoes with vegetables, perfect with rice and great for sharing with the family. And that's it. It's simple, healthy, and full of comforting flavors. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching.